Warning: brokerage products are not FDIC insured, are not bank guaranteed, and may lose value.
We have scanned more than 7,000 stocks in the market today. Here are the stocks you can consider to buy.
1. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals Incorporated Common Stock, stock symbol REGN. 2. AstraZeneca p.l.c. American Depositary Shares, stock symbol ASML. 3. Merck and Company Incorporated Common Stock, new, stock symbol Merck. 4. BP p.l.c. Common Stock, stock symbol BP. 5. Elevance Health Incorporated Common Stock, stock symbol YELV. 6. Stellantis NV Common Shares, stock symbol STLA. 7. Dow Incorporated Common Stock, stock symbol Dow. 8. GSK p.l.c. American Depositary Shares, each representing 2 ordinary shares, stock symbol GSK. 9. Fomento Economico Mexicano S.A.B de CV Common Stock, stock symbol FMX. 10. Novo Nordisk A.S. Common Stock, stock symbol Novo Nordisk. 11. The Hershey Company Common Stock, stock symbol HSY. 12. ASML Holding NV. New York Registry Shares, stock symbol ASML. 13. Centene Corporation Common Stock, stock symbol CNC.